this thing on? Oh, okay. So, oh, sorry, I was sniffing this. It's the Nintendo 9000. But you already know that because it's on my account. And sorry, I have a sniffing or runny nose. Happy Valentine's Day. And here, I got some for you. Yes. You want chocolate? Here, take the chocolate. Take it. Take that. Take the stupid chocolate. Oh, like, you could take stuff from computers. Okay. Now, okay, here. What? Who in the world hate all my chocolate? Eight. No, who hates chocolate? Some people do, but who ate all my chocolate? Listen. Oh, there's all my chocolate right here. Okay, there's 3 SpongeBob's and there's 3 SpongeBob's and 1 milk chocolate. The milk chocolate is milk chocolate. Yeah, right. And the SpongeBob is crispy. So I got 2 Valentine's Day gifts. $5, $25, heart, SpongeBob heart, and a bear. So that's it. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Stupid button.